My Cloud Bank. My Cloud Bank allows users to add or store their materials in the cloud and manage, annotate, or link to other features. This is the page for My Cloud Bank, and I will now provide operational instructions. When you first use it, there will be no stored materials inside. You can add materials to My Cloud Bank through other features such as Material Database Viewer, Alternative Material, Material Selection Guidance, Material Comparison, and Design Calculator. For example, in the Material Database Viewer, you can add a material to My Cloud Bank from the tool panel of the material list. The number in the My Cloud Bank above will show you how many materials are currently stored. Returning to My Cloud Bank, you will see the material you just added. You can enter text in the note box or click Tool Panel to link to other features. You can remove stored materials by using the Delete function. Deleted materials will be temporarily placed in the recycle bin and will be automatically cleared after 30 days. If you have a lot of materials stored, you can sort them using options at the top such as polymer type, supplier, grade name, or date added. The default sorting is by date added, from the most recent to the oldest. In addition, it should be noted that the storage capacity in My Cloud Bank is limited to 100 materials. If space is insufficient, you can free up space by deleting materials.